Are Ford Explorer wheel spacers safe to use? Quality Ford Explorer wheel spacers are exactly safe. They're mechanical components that push your wheels away from the vehicle's original hubs. The vehicle's wheels are fastened to the corresponding wheel hubs by clamping force, or treated by tightening the wheel stud of each wheel. All forces are transmitted through each Ford Explorer's hubs and its corresponding hub assembly. Therefore, the vehicle weight is not placed on any Ford Explorer wheel spacers installed. Installed half-century Ford Explorer wheel spacers will be safer. Generally, half-century Ford Explorer wheel spacers are designed with a half-century ring in the center that fits perfectly on the hub assembly and the wheels. This way, the wheels are centered by the hub connection, and the lug nuts can hold it first against the mounting plate. These Ford Explorer wheel spacers allow the wheel to support the vehicle weight better and fill the gap for a tighter fit, providing a minimum chance of vibration. Quality Ford Explorer wheel spacers provide distinct performance advantages. Many Ford Explorer wheel spacers are made of aluminum alloy, but remember that forged ones are always better than cast ones. Compared to traditional steel spacers, forged aluminum Ford Explorer wheel spacers are much stronger, as well as provide a longer service life. Selecting the best Ford Explorer wheel spacers ensures safety, and it almost always saves money in road maintenance. BONOSS multi-stage half-century Ford Explorer wheel spacers are considered safer and more reliable. The half-century metering is machined in a multi-layer process, and the chamfers match the corresponding hub flange, eliminating any possible gaps. The machining accuracy of 0.02 mm ensures a high-quality surface. The higher the accuracy of the contact surface, the better the fit of the Ford Explorer wheel spacers, and the safer your driving will be. The BONOSS multi-stage half-century Ford Explorer wheel spacers will effectively reduce the chance of wheel vibration and keep your wheels safe all the way. In addition, BONOSS active cooling Ford Explorer wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation rules to make brake cooling better. Distribute in pattern shape. These rules allow the internal cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer while it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that distribute on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving safety. Also, BONOSS active cooling Ford Explorer wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives you peace of mind.